guys, so here's our pool inflatable. It's not inflated right now because, well, you know, it wouldn't fit on my desk. But I gotta find a place to put a hole in it. This looks like a good spot. I'm just gonna go in. Boom. That's not good. There's a hole in my inflatable. What will I do? So we're just gonna go and take our iron right here, get our parchment paper, and apparently we just wrap this in our parchment paper. And then do that. Okay, it seems pretty sealed. Then we're gonna take our iron. We're just gonna melt it back together. I'm really not sure how well this is gonna work. Does that feel like it's melted? Oh, that is definitely melting together. Maybe a little bit more. Oh, shoot. Oh, yeah, that's definitely melting together. Just do a little bit more. Okay, yeah, that should be good. I'm just gonna go ahead and let this cool down and we'll blow this bad boy up. Okay, so here's our inflatable, here's our pump. Let's hope that this pump actually works for this. Otherwise, I'm gonna be blowing this up with my mouth, and that's not fun. Okay, here we go. So just put that in there. Woo! I don't know if it's working, Captain. I think this is gonna take a while.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, so far it looks like our hole is kind of holding up after we ironed it. It's not bad so far. I'm gonna keep pumping it up and hopefully it'll hold up in the water. Oh, okay guys, now it's time to test this puppy out. I don't know if it's gonna hold or not, but I guess we'll see. Here we go. It's so cold out here. Ah! Here we go.